Now we take a few questions on the concept we have learned about lines which are parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Now the first question says, find the equations of the straight lines which pass through 4, 3 and are respectively parallel and perpendicular to the x-axis. Now let's draw the situation. Let's say we have the coordinate axis and the question says our line is passing through 4, 3. Now 4, 3 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The point is this, our line is passing through this point, this is 4, 3. There would be infinite lines that can pass through this, but we want those lines which are perpendicular to x-axis and which are parallel to x-axis. Now a line which is perpendicular to x-axis will be of this kind, and line which is parallel to x-axis will be of this kind. Obviously if the lines are, first case, let's say this is parallel to y-axis or perpendicular to x-axis, one and the same thing. This is perpendicular to x-axis. Now if it is perpendicular to x-axis, this is 90 degree and this was 90 degree. Therefore this line is parallel to y-axis. Now any line which is parallel to y-axis, any line parallel to y-axis is of the form x is equal to c. Now what is x of this line? This line is passing through 4, 3, therefore the x coordinate of all the points on this line would be what? 4. Therefore the equation of this line would be what? X is equal to 4. Similarly, if we talk of this line is parallel to x-axis. Now if this line is parallel to x-axis, therefore it is perpendicular to y-axis. Therefore this angle is what? 90 degree. Now if this is 90, this is obviously 90, therefore these two lines are parallel. Now therefore this line is parallel to x-axis, and we have learned that any line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to c. All the points of this line will have a y coordinate which is what? 3. Therefore y would be equal to 3. This will be the equation of the line. This is the equation of this line, and this is the equation of this line. Let's take the next question. Find the equation of a line which is equidistant from these two lines. Let's quickly draw this. Now if you look closely, we are given x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 6, and we had learned that any line which is of the form x is equal to c is a line parallel to y axis. Therefore x is equal to 6 will be a line, rather will be of, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's say this is your line, x is equal to 6, and x is equal to -2 means on the left side -1, -2, and this would be your x is equal to -2 line. This is x is equal to -2 line, and this is x is equal to 6 line. We want a line which is equidistant from these two lines. Equidistant means a line which is at an equal distance from x equal to -2 and x is equal to 6. Now what is this point? This is -2, 0 and this is 6, 0. If I want a line which is equidistant, that is a line which passes through the middle point of these 2 points. Therefore, what is the distance between these two lines? 6 units on the right and 2 units on the left. This is 2 units and this is 6 units. Therefore the total distance is what? 8 units. Therefore I want a line which is at a distance of 4 units from this point and 4 units from this point. Therefore if we move 4 units to the left, where will we land up? We will land up at 2. And from this side also these are 2 units, and this is again 2 units, this is 2, and again this is 2. Therefore we have moved 4 units. Therefore our line would be a line which would be what? Passing through 2, 0 and parallel to the given lines. Now the equation of such a line would be, what? This line is parallel to y-axis, therefore and is passing through 2. Its x coordinate is 2, therefore the equation of this line would be x is equal to 2. Therefore line parallel to, or rather x equal to -2 and x equal to 6 and equidistant from them. Equidistant from them would have equation as x is equal to 2. Similarly, we go to the next one. This is pretty much similar to the previous one. Let's say we have this situation. We have to find a line which is equidistant from these two lines. For example, y is equal to minus 2 is now what? Is the line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 2 units below x-axis. This is, or rather, this is y is equal to minus 2. Similarly, y is equal to 10 would be somewhere here. This is above x-axis. This is your y-axis. This is your x-axis. Now this is what? 0 comma minus 2, and this point is 0 comma 10. What is the distance between these two lines? This is 10 units and this is 2 units. Therefore, total distance is 12 units. And we want a line which is equidistant, means which is at an equal distance from these two lines. Therefore, we should move 6 units upwards and 6 units downwards. Therefore, what we get? We get a line of this sort. Now, since this line is again parallel to x-axis, therefore its equation would be y is equal to something. Now, what is that something? We have moved how much? 6 units below. Therefore, 9, 8, 7, 6, so on. We'll land up at 4. Therefore, this line is passing through a point whose y coordinate is what? 4. Therefore, its equation is y is equal to 4. Obviously, this is 2 units. Or rather, this is 2 units, and how much unit do we have to move above? 4 units. We will land up at 0, 4. Therefore, the equation of this line is y is equal to 4. Therefore, a line parallel to y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 10 and equidistant from them. And equidistant from them will have equation as y is equal to 4. I hope you have understood the concept.